हमें राही प्यार के से हमें राही कार के, इट्स बीन क्वाइट अ राइड फॉर यू।
यस, इट्स बिन काफ़ी लंबी जर्नी रही है, खूब मज़ा भी आया, बहुत अच्छी फिल्में भी की, कुछ ऐसी वैसी फिल्में भी की बीच बीच में।
Dancing as well, and you're having a lot of fun as well.
There's the Harlem Shake, which is now going viral throughout the world, and everybody is making their own version. तो हम लोग एक अपना बनाते हैं. Then we just kind of came and did it.
Ding Dang as well in the movie. Apparently, I think you like that song. In fact.
Ding dang ding dang ding. Aaye something nice.
What has she learned from her kids?
You know, like the world treats you like a star and everything, and your children just treat you like, Mom, just do this for me. So you really learn to be very normal with them. Hi, this is Juhi Chawla, and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
One of the biggest perks of being a part of Bollywood is that you get to meet your idols like Juhi Chawla, and we have with us the ravishing Juhi Chawla with us on Bollywood Hungama. Wonderful to have you back on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you. Pleasure being here with you again.
And हमें राही प्यार के से हमें राही कार के, it's been quite a ride for you.
Yes, it's been काफ़ी लंबी जर्नी रही है, खूब मज़ा भी आया, बहुत अच्छी फिल्में भी की, कुछ ऐसी वैसी फिल्में भी की बीच बीच में. It's sweet. I mean, this is totally a different film, I must say. हमें राही प्यार के no, there is one similarity I feel. Of course, उसमें मेरा मेन रोल था. I am a guest artist on this film. मगर उसमें फिल्म में बच्चे थे, और ये फिल्म ऐसी है कि बच्चों को अच्छी लगेगी.
In fact, even if you have to announce that a new baby has come in the world, you do it in a very different sort of manner in the movie, in the promo that we have seen. Mubarak ho and all that stuff.
नहीं, मेरा कैरेक्टर बहुत क्यूट सा है. I'm a doctor in a small town hospital, और मैं पान खाती हूँ. तो जब पान कोई खाता है तो फिर बातें नहीं होती, मतलब कोई समझ नहीं पाता कि आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं, तो इशारों में बात करती हूँ.
जी बिल्कुल.
और मेरे साथ एक नर्स है जो मुझे बहुत मतलब मुझे बहुत तंग करती है, वो समझ नहीं पाती है मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ. अब मैं कुछ कहती हूँ, वो कुछ कहती है, तो बड़ा मज़ेदार छोटे से सीन हैं, बट बहुत क्यूट हैं.
We've seen the making of the film as well, and you seem to be dancing as well, and you're having a lot of fun as well. Harlem Shake or something like that?
Oh, वो तो इनका आइडिया था, देव का. All these youngsters are all about internet and what's interesting over there. And उन्होंने बताया कि there's the Harlem Shake, which is now going viral throughout the world, and everybody is making their own version. तो हम लोग एक अपना बनाते हैं. Then we just kind of came and did it.
And there's Ding Dang as well in the movie. Apparently, I think you like that song. In fact.
हाँ, I think वो इतना sticky है कि मतलब एक बार वो ding dang ding dang ding, ये something ना ये tune, it's so catchy कि yeah, I couldn't forget it. I've been humming it all morning today.
There's Sanjay Dutt in the movie as well, and how's that experience of being a part of a movie where you're also having Sanjay Dutt as one of the guest artists as well?
एक्चुअली उनके साथ मैंने काम नहीं किया इस फिल्म में, क्योंकि हम लोग सब आते हैं फिल्म में, बट आवर वर्क इज़ विद आदा एंड देव. वी इंटरेक्ट विद देम एंड कम एट डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स इन द फिल्म. तो आई नो अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट हिज कैरेक्टर, बट उनका और मेरा कैरेक्टर मिलता नहीं है स्क्रीन पे नहीं.
You spoke about the internet part of it and how things are becoming viral and all that stuff. I think you are part of the social media as well, and you tend to tweet quite regularly. And recently you had tweeted about the harmful effects of radiation as such. Because I think that's a wonderful topic that you raised over there. So could you please maybe tell more about it? Apparently you had been to some seminar or something.
Achha, this is quite a shift from movies and Hame Rahi Kar Ke, and there we go to
internet
radiation.
Actually, it's coming to the internet, yeah.
Yeah, sure. I would say since about 2 years almost, I've been involved with this awareness about radiation from cell phone towers, and cell phone towers ही नहीं मगर आपके मोबाइल फ़ोन्स जो कि हम लोग सब इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अपनी पॉकेट्स में रखते हैं, but there is radiation from it which over time starts harming you, starts affecting your cells. इसके बारे में बहुत सारे लोगों को बिल्कुल पता नहीं है. So there are a lot of wrong practices, of like keeping your phone next to your head and sleeping, keeping your phone next to your heart in your pocket and roaming around all day. I mean, you know, even when आप एक call करते हैं, तो how do I say that the phone radiates to the base station, to the tower, and at the moment it connects the call, there's a burst of energy on your phone. So it's wrong to keep it on your ear at that moment. So actually, for safety, you must make a call, and the moment it connects, after that,
pick it up.
Pick it up.
Okay.
Next to your, you know, put it next to your ear,
Right.
and then keep your calls short. हम लोग तो बेकार की बातें भी करते हैं.
That's true.
But in time, the heat from that phone starts affecting your brain.
Earphone is a good idea. Using an earphone is a good idea.
The seminar I went to, there was a doctor there, a neurosurgeon, and he was explaining how that is also not the best thing, because the piece picks up signals from other other devices as well.
Okay.
So it is actually not the best thing to do is even have that. I mean, the best would be you just use your landline if you can. If you have the option, please don't, and keep your phone off. Don't keep it on when you're not using it.
Two new youngsters, in fact, come to the fore, Dev Goyal and Ada Sharma. How was the experience of working with them, in fact?
Very sweet. In fact, Dev I've seen as a young boy on our sets of Safari. And Ada, well, I hadn't seen her earlier film, but she's a fabulous dancer, I believe.
Right.
And then I saw, मैंने कुछ film के clips मैंने देखे हुए हैं. And they both done very well. And Ada is very charming as a sweet girl. So it's been very nice, refreshing, I would say, to work with the two of them.
We've taken some questions from your fans. If you could please briefly answer them, that'll be great. Everyone learns something new on a daily basis. This is Zoha Khan. What has she learned from her kids?
What have I learned from my kids? Yeah. Patience. A lot of patience they've taught me. And humility. You know, like the world treats you like a star and everything, and your children just treat you like, Mom, just do this for me. So you really learn to be very normal with them.